is me again, Ruthie B. I come to you today. Today's Saturday morning. It's a beautiful day. I come to you, bringing to you today, we're going to make hot chocolate. I know everybody knows how to make hot chocolate. However, the way I make it differently. I use different ingredients. So if you stick around, I will show you my special recipe. All right, so I already have my milk boiling. So what I used for my hot chocolate is baking cocoa powder. I do not use Nestle. They have this kind. You can get that in the brand Hershey cocoa powder. It's the real cocoa mix. I've been using that. It's going down a little bit. It's very strong. For us from the island, especially back home from Haiti, we have our cocoa mix. It's not a mix, I'm sorry. It's very hard, and we have to make sure we grate it in a cheese grater to make it a powder in order for us to use it. But this one, if you don't have that, we can use the one from the supermarket, all these Walmart and Target, etc. Okay, I'm gonna use some of that. Of course, I have my lemon zest, and I also have star anise. You can find that at any ethnic stores, your local store, Indian stores, or islander stores, Jamaican stores. And also another ingredient that I add is ginger. I know ginger is hot for some people. They don't like ginger, or it can bring an element of heat to the hot chocolate, which I like. So I'm gonna use ginger, which has been peeled and diced, okay? And of course, evaporated milk. And a last ingredient is chocolate syrup. And there's another ingredient that I don't have today. It's chocolate chips. Not the one that is sweetened, unsweetened chocolate chips. So I instead of that, I don't have that. I'm just gonna add this. So this two together, chef kiss. The hot chocolate's gonna come out creamy, rich, and fabulous. So stick around. My milk is boiling, so I'm gonna add my star anise to the milk. Okay, and then also I'm going to add the lemon zest. All right, that brings out such a flavor to the hot chocolate. Unbelievable. Okay. And then I'm gonna put not all of my ginger. I'm gonna put some because I don't want the ginger flavor to be too powerful, and I don't want it to be understated either. Okay. All right, that's boiling. Then I'm gonna add the hot cocoa. Give me a minute. All right, now that the milk is cooking, all right, so I'm going to add some of the chocolate syrup to my mixture. Of course, this is the milk that's boiling. The gallon of milk, 2% as always. Okay. You're gonna add that. It smells good already. Just eyeball. I add everything to taste. Just eyeball. I might add some more of this to it. So, but for now, I'm just eyeballing. All right, I'm stirring, and I will bring the camera closer soon. All right, and then later on, I will add the evaporated milk. Okay, and that's about it. So I'm gonna increase the fire some more. Now that's boiling, I'm gonna add the cocoa cocoa mix, the powder mix, I boil it, and then I boil it. And then with that, gonna stir. It looks very messy, but just trust the process. Turn down the fire a little bit. You need to get a whisk instead of the adding some more of this. And then now I think I'm gonna add the evaporated milk. And also I'm gonna add some more ginger, a little bit more ginger. My husband likes it, my daughter likes it. It comes out very rich. And basically that's about it. You keep on stirring, you let everything cook, marinate, and for some people they love to add, the sugar is to taste, right? We try to watch what we eat over here. We add minimal sugar, so it's up to you. And basically it's done. It's just the different ingredients makes it taste so much different. And as for us Haitian people, sometimes we miss the hot cocoa that we have from our homeland. We can't find it here, so this is a good what's the word I'm looking for? Substitute. This is a good substitute, okay? And especially if I had the the chocolate chip, it would have been even better, but this should suffice. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this syrup. Don't put too much. No, I'm not gonna put too much. So now it's boiling. It's basically done. All I have to do now, some people would leave it to boil some more, but I don't think I need to do all that. It's been cooking a while now, so basically it's done. I wish you guys could smell to have to smell the aroma of this goodness over here. It's creamy. I can taste it already. It's creamy, it's hot, tasty, all of the above. A very decadent, if I would call it, a very decadent drink in the cold winter, fall morning, because it's very, very cold where I am already in November. Alrighty, guys, and this is it. I'm gonna pour it in a cup, strain it, pour it in a cup, and enjoy. Okay, guys, I finished the hot cocoa. I started to drink it already. Okay, very delicious. I hope you got some pointers in the video, and make you 1 cup. You won't regret it. Okay, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Delicious.